Well, good morning. It's been a while since we've put a video together, so I thought maybe it's time to catch up and show you a couple of things that you've never been shown before, and this will help you profit from the premonition charts. We'll get into it. I'll go into greater detail after the market opens. It's about 10 minutes away right now, so I'll be back. Markets have opened, so we're not getting any indication yet. We're still showing a 0 for directional strength. This is a key number. It's telling you which way the markets are going, and the color, of course, tells you which way. This number tells you the strength at which it's moving. So what we do here is we wait for a yellow bar, and then I'll show you another step we need to incorporate to assure success. Well, we're getting a red 1, so certainly showing you that the markets are heading in the downward direction today, at least at this point. It's 9:34 right now. Look at the charts. There's 2 of them gone. We can start looking right now, actually. Let's check the stochastic on COP. It was looking perfectly positioned. Just need that red bar to come up a little bit. So we'll wait for that to rise, and then we'll get in on the put side. Okay, it's just crossed. So now's the time to buy a put on COP. So let's check the price. 45 and 48. 45 and 48. That's for the 50s. FCX. Check the stochastic on the 1-minute chart. Listen to your view here. They're both below that top line, so this is not a good time to buy that. But you just wait. What happens is once you see them both above, you check the premonition chart again, make sure that it's still indicating red, as you can see that it is, and then you get in. Okay? If it's changed color, then you wait. And so we're not going to be buying FCX just yet. How about Halliburton? Stochastic on Halliburton. See, they're below too. You've got to wait for both lines to be above to buy a put. And if we were looking at a call, if it was green, we would want both lines to be below this part. I'll show you how to set these charts up. So what we do is we pick the full stochastic. There's the full stochastic. Change the settings. The overbought to 80, oversold 20. The K period would be 6 and the D period 5. I also changed the colors. On the full K and the oversold, I make them both green. The 2 in the middle, the full D and the overbought, I make red. And that's all there is to it. And then click apply and OK. It's that simple. Here's our FCX. Let me bring this into your view. Stochastic. And you can see they're both above right here. So it's an entry point for a put. First, you got to look at the premonition chart. FCX is now green, so we don't get in. But IWM looks green. So let's wait for IWM. Check the chart. And now IWM being green had to be below here. And as you can see, it's above. So this is not an entry point. The FCX right now is above the line. And the premonition charts, it's red. So that's perfect. Let's see what we can get FCX puts for. 195, 198 for the 80s. 195, 198. Well, here we are just a few minutes after we began. It's 9:50. And our COP puts, we had the 50s, are now 52 and 55. And you'll recall we bought them, they were 45 and 48. FCX, we had the 80s. They're 208 and 209. And when we bought them, they were 195 and 198. Whoop, they've just gone up. Now they're 209 and 211. So that's even better. Well, it looks like FCX is working well. We had the $80 puts, and right now the $80 puts are 212 and 213. When we bought them, they were 195, 198. Up, just went up, 213, 214. 214, 215. Should keep watching them. Look at that, 222, 224. Just keeps on working for us. 223, 224. 224, 225. I can barely finish writing the numbers down. Well, we're up to 229, 231 for F's. Oh, 230, 232. This looks like the big winner of the day. Here's how we did today. I just wanted to grab a couple of quick ones for you because I wanted to show you that new method of perfecting the entry point. So we had two of them. This is how many we would have been able to buy to keep each of them below $1,000. The price at the start, total investment $1962.50. What we sold them for, total revenue $2177.50. Profit of $215 or 10.96% return on our investment. And that was just in a couple of hours. I hope you had a great day trading as well today. And don't forget, if you visit our website, you can subscribe to the software at financialfurnace.com or visit the other website at definitiveoptions.com. And there's a couple of things you can do there. One is you can subscribe to the Skype conference, and you can speak with us every day during the early trading part of the day. And that'll run from around 9 till, 11 or so. You can also attend one of our conferences. We have one coming up in San Francisco at the end of April, so you can reserve your seat at the website as well. And there's some webinars, some free webinars that you're certainly welcome to listen to and enjoy and learn. So we're dedicated to your success. We'll see you later.